In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload Instagram Reels from PC. So the first thing you want to do is to open your preferred browser and then open Instagram, and then you want to log in, and then you want to click the plus symbol at the left side, and then you want to click post, and then you want to either drag photos to this field here or select from computer. I'm just going to select from computer. I'm just going to choose this video here, and then you want to click open, and then you want to click OK, next, and if you want to trim it you can do so. I'm not going to do that now. Then you want to click next, and then you want to click share, or if you want to add a location or tag people, you can do that, but and then you want to click share. So this is how to post an Instagram reel from your PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.